Hello everyone, you all are welcome to my channel Vedic Astrology. In today's video, we will learn about Gemini Ascendant chart. What are the benefic, malefic and neutral planet for this ascendant? So let's start with the video. Now join your hands together and recite Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvasavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This is Gemini Ascendant chart. As we can see, number 3 is written in the first house. That is the sign of Gemini. And the Lord of Gemini is Mercury, as we all know. So Mercury becomes the Ascendant Lord for this chart. Mercury here is the Lord of first house and the fourth house. Number 6 Virgo is written in the fourth house, which is again a sign of Mercury. Mercury is Lord of both these signs, Gemini and Virgo. So here Mercury becomes the most benefic planet for this ascendant chart, being an ascendant Lord and the Lord of two central houses. Then, as we know, the fifth house Lord is Venus, as number 7 is written here, which is Libra, and the Lord of Libra is Venus. Venus anyway is friends with Mercury, and being the Lord of fifth house, it becomes a benefic planet for this ascendant chart. And also Ma Lakshmi is considered to be the goddess of Venus, associated with planet Venus. So it becomes the Ishta Devi. Ma Lakshmi becomes the Ishta Devi for the Gemini ascendant people. So Venus here is a benefic planet. However, please note it is also the Lord of 12th house, which is a Trikisthana. As we have discussed, the 12th house is not a good house, it is a Trikisthana. So being Lord of one very benefic house and one malefic house, the result of Venus will depend upon its placement in the chart. Wherever Venus is sitting, we have to analyze its result, which it will give to the particular person. But overall, Venus is considered to be a benefic planet for Gemini ascendant chart. Next benefic planet is Saturn, as it is the Lord of 9th house, which is an auspicious house. As we all know, it is a trine house. Number 11 is written here, which is the sign of Aquarius, and the Lord of Aquarius is Saturn. Saturn here becomes the second most benefic planet for Gemini ascendant chart, and it is also the friends of Mercury. But again, we have to note that Saturn here is also the Lord of 8th house, which is again a Trikisthana. So similarly, like Venus, the placement of Saturn will decide its result, and the benefic or whatever result it is will be capable of giving to the person. Now we come to the second house. Number 4 is written here, which is a sign of Cancer, and the Lord of Cancer is Moon. Moon is the enemy with Mercury, and as we know, if the Lord of second house is friends with the ascendant Lord, then it becomes a benefic planet. If it is an enemy, it becomes a malefic planet. So here, since Moon is enemy to the Mercury, it becomes a malefic planet and will not give good results. In fact, it will spoil the results of the chart. Next is third house. Third house, number 5 is written here. Sign is Leo, and the Lord of Leo is Sun. Sun is friends with Mercury, but it is a Lord of third house. So it will give results after so much of hard work and so much of efforts. So whatever result a person gets from the third house through Leo ascendant Lord, which is Sun, it will not be too good for this person. So here Sun becomes a neutral planet. Its placement will decide whether it is capable of giving good results or maybe very neutral results. It will not be very benefic, it will not be malefic. The exact result will depend upon its placement. Next, we have already spoken about fourth house lord, which is Gemini. We have discussed fifth house lord, Venus. Now we come to the sixth house. In the sixth house, number 8, Scorpio is mentioned. The lord of a Scorpio is Mars. Mars here is the enemy of Mercury, the ascendant lord, and Mars is also the lord of 11th house, as number 1 Aries is written here. So here Mars is a malefic planet, reason being enemy to the ascendant lord and also the lord of the 8th house. It might give little bit benefic result of 11th house depending upon its placement, but overall Mars is the malefic planet. It is considered to be a malefic planet for the Gemini ascendant chart. Next we are coming to the 7th house, where number 9 Sagittarius is written. The lord of Sagittarius is Jupiter, as we all know. Now we note that in the 10th house again Jupiter has been given the lordship, which is a sign of Pisces, number 12. Jupiter here becomes the lord of two center houses. In this cases, Jupiter is friends with Mercury, and it is also a very soft natured and a very good planet by nature, by its characteristic. Now its placement will decide whether it will give good results or it might give bad results also if Jupiter sits in the center houses itself, because by this it will have the Kendra Adhipati Dosh. Kendra Adhipati Dosh if the Jupiter sits in any of the 4 center houses in the ascendant in the chart. So that will depend upon its placement. Gemini is also the lord of two center houses, but since it is an ascendant lord, it does not get the dosha of Kendra Adhipati, but Jupiter can have Kendra Adhipati dosh. These doshas and yogas we will learn in upcoming videos. For now, just understand that Jupiter is here the lord of two center houses, and if it sits in the center houses itself, it will have Kendra Adhipati dosh, so it might give malefic results as well, or otherwise a better placement of Jupiter can give a better result, some benefic results, as it is friends to Mercury. So here Jupiter becomes a neutral planet and its placement will decide its result. So Sun and Jupiter are the two planets who are friends with Mercury, but because of their placements, the occupancy of the houses, they become neutral for the Gemini ascendant chart. So now we have discussed all the houses, all the planets, all the signs, what are malefic, benefic and neutral planets for Gemini ascendant. Now you can download this note from the description box, and here you will find everything that we have discussed in written. You can revise it from here. The ascendant lord is Mercury, and in brief everything is mentioned here. Who is the Ishtadev for this ascendant chart? One can strengthen its 5th house and get the best results from Venus by worshipping Ma Lakshmi. Favorable planets are Venus, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. Okay, we did not discuss about Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu are friends with Mercury. So for Gemini ascendant chart, they become benefic planet. However, they are Danav planet. So their placement again will decide their results. They are friends to Mercury, so they are not malefic to this ascendant. However, their placement will decide what kind of benefic results they are capable of giving. So you download the note from the description box and go through these notes again while watching the video or after watching that video, or you can watch the video first and again read these notes and again watch the video, keeping these notes along with you. It will be easier for you to learn and memorize these things. This way, the more you have memorized all these details, it will be easier for you to do the prediction in the future when you learn further things, when we get into the details. You won't need to keep these notes in front of you to understand the benefic or malefic planets, what kind of results you can have, the one can have whenever you're reading someone's birth chart. So I hope you have liked this video, you have liked this chapter, and you are learning well. In the next chapter, we will discuss the Cancer Ascendant chart, the Lord of which is Moon. Till then, you revise this chapter and I'll see you in the next video. Please, if you like the channel, if you like this video, please do share and subscribe.